pride in prepping your clients for the deposition. And you have expressed in the past, I mean, some firms use videos that they play. You like to do the one-on-one. Some will prep a few hours before. You like to do a few days before. Can you elaborate a little bit on that and why you feel that's
Yeah. Yes, yes. Well, it's just a personal practice I've developed. I feel it's effective for a couple of reasons. One, especially with Zoom now, there can be a lot of these things are done over Zoom. The defense lawyer might be out of New York City or Long Island or in Westchester, and we're all here in the Hudson Valley. People can get a little complacent thinking it's just going to be like a FaceTime call or like a Zoom call that they might have with their family. It's not like that. I can't let people think like that. I have to get them in the mindset that this is sworn testimony, that this is something, this is evidence. It's going to be used for us and perhaps against us. So you got to be prepared. How do you prepare for a deposition? Well, there's no class in it. There's no coursework in it, nothing formal anyways. I have some instruction sheets, some guidance sheets I always share with my clients, but the real meat and potatoes of the prep comes down to just meeting face to face and going over the facts. I'm not going to go through all the different ways in which I counsel and share and guide my clients. There's a number of do's and don'ts that we discuss. The most important thing, though, I tell my clients is to mean what you say and say what you mean, or vice versa, right? And they always ask me, what do you mean by that? I'm like, don't waffle, right? It goes right back to credibility, which we talked about in a prior recording. How you are perceived, the way in which you speak, the way in which you carry yourself can also mean a lot. It's not just, again, the facts or your recitation of what happened at the time of an accident. Are you a believable person? Are you a good person? Are people going to like you? Are they going to trust you in court to tell the truth? These are some of the simple principles I have to start to get my clientele familiar with. It's not just what happened. Even if you did nothing wrong, even if someone just rear-ended you and you're just, waiting at a red light and you did nothing wrong, you still have to be prepared to talk in a way that's going to be received well. You just don't want to come off as being a malingerer or someone who's just trying to game the system or someone who's just looking for a quick buck. People will see through that. No one's going to reward you for that. And no one will think highly of you if they think you're just trying to game the system. And I'm not suggesting that there are a lot of people doing that, but they can get perception. Yeah, there's a perception that it does happen because, well, there are those people. But we want to take all of that. We want to remove all doubt regarding that type of stuff and just get the person to speak from the heart. And I know it might sound a little corny, but it's true. Speak from the heart, be honest, be yourself, tell the truth. Things usually have a way of working out.